Play pi baro ngapna sampai pi syaka channel exam dates ya kan video mata kasmi yang pen ya ki post ke bala pelajang da kan mekhania public service commission shillong te parlok kidan mekni ki post ke belaj hak ba la pelaj da kan mekhania public service commission hak kharsau turek u april achar pesan te kira thong ne ba ka online application will be received up to 17 hours on the 15th of May 2025 and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Te katrik bakado kade khasan trik umi alajar alsan. Te hadu kapor san becechan miet. Te kipus kilong nihrum kapus benkong kade inspector of legal metrology in the office of the controller of legal metrology ka level kapis kade level 12. Essential qualification kidai BSc in physics as one of the subjects lani BE BTech of any discipline. Mata kalian sakni ka number E must be able to speak one of the languages of the state. B must be physically and mentally fit. Mata kapus kalat kawai kata nem tak khasi chantia kategori. Mata kapus baar kadai junior engineer grade 1 civil under the following departments. Kani kapus kadai sis pak kandai teli. Ngan pulih ni water resource department kalat life new teli. Nang ta ka sericulture and weaving department of textiles kalat kawai. Housing department kalat lai teli. Ka CNRD department kalat san prateli. Ke animal husbandry kalat kawai. Ka PHE kalat kandai teli. Ka total post kadai sis pak kandai teli. Ki kani hangni ka educational qualification kadai bendai ki minimum 3 years diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institution. Yang tak kapus balai kadai draftsman grade 2 surveyor grade 2 under the Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation. TKP level kadai level 7 of revised pay structure. Essential qualification kadai degree diploma holder in civil engineering. A draftsman surveyor from any recognized institution. TKP kapus kalat nyoteli kawai underserved lightly kasih chantia lightly karo. Nam kapus kebasaw kadai accounts assistant under the Directorate of Community and Rural Development. Ka level 6 of revised PA structure. Essential qualification kadai HSSLC or equivalent examination from any recognized board or university. Kapus kalat artli kawai kasih chantia pat kawai nam taki karo. Ti kani ka method of selection pila ban paj hina kani ka official notification bakil ay hang ni kini ki syllabus kini ki subject prepare bakin ay hak exam kumbang long ipi ka tarik bakadu kadai kasan tarik u banai basan archar pesan ti parolok sungha bani apply sya kani ka last date kanang bapin mi kundu ikini kunu kucing ya ti ngangat pi asungu tenat iki video ki bang mi kani ka channel chonga ada piyo cimentoy na ki videos ki bang apmi ka channel chonga sumba like share ba subscribe nang bakwe ki parlok rukin yo cimentoy nang ba ki videos ki bang bu ka channel chonga nang kini ki cimpemna bless you.